Welcome to HubSpot. In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Google Sheets. To do that, go to google.com, click Google Apps icon, select Drive. You see my Google Drive has already got dark mode enabled. I did this by going to Settings and then by clicking Dark under Appearance. But if I create a new Google Sheet, this is not in dark mode. To enable dark mode for this Google Sheet, search Chrome extensions, go to Chrome Web Store, and then search Google Sheets dark mode. There are many extensions. Let's try this. Click Add to Chrome, or in my case, Brave browser. Add extension. That's it. Now return to Spreadsheet. Click Extensions icon. Select Google Sheets dark mode. Enable the dark mode, and that's it. Dark mode has been enabled. So this is how you can enable dark mode for Google Sheets. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.